Weathermatic has been fantastic for helping us save money in our labor, being able to remotely access all our controllers, make programming changes, turn them on and off. But now with the integration with the SmartLink into that, it just saves so much time. And it's just all paperwork time that gets saved, so it lets you do something more productive, track down all those issues that are showing up in your email, better help you train your guys. It lets you do a lot more than just the paperwork. Now that it's integrated with Boss, that's huge. It's well worth the investment with the time savings that you get by it basically generating your proposals for you. You make a few tweaks and send it off to the customer.
One of the biggest benefits of SmartLink for us is the accessibility. By far one of the handiest features as a technician is I don't have to physically go there unless I know there's a problem. So it allows us just to be more proactive and knowing what we're looking for and getting it taken care of.
The big thing that got me into SmartLink was the remote capabilities. That was the biggest feature that was the most important I saw as a huge time saver for us. And a simple fact that being able to use the controller or have a remote control in your hand no matter where you go was also huge, because none of the other manufacturers out there had a decent remote control.